30x stainless steel rivet nut. Thread pitch, 1/4 - 20. Thread diameter, 5.35 mm 1/4 inch. Thread pitch, 1.6 mm 1/16 inch. Grip range, 0.7 mm to 4 mm, 0.027 to 0.125. Body diameter, 8.9 mm, 0.350. Total length, 15.5 mm, 0.610. Application hole size, 0.351 to 0.356. A rivet nut fastener is a tubular rivet with internal thread which can be installed in seconds. Form one side of the work. Once installed, no finishing work is required on the RIVNUT fastener. Rivet nuts also are used when an application has little or no access to the back side, as they can be installed from the front side of the workpiece. The added benefit of not only being a dependable fastener, they are ready to use with clean threads available for screw attachments. Top reviews from the United States. Set easily, worked well. Used these on a tail light conversion for our Wanderlodge. They seem to set well and grip tightly. Was a little reluctant, due to stainless being somewhat brittle. But they seem to preform just like the steel ones. I would still use some anti-seize or thread lock on the bolts to coat the threads, just to hedge my bets.